BrainyBuyer.com presents another rapid-fire showdown. We crunch the specs, you make the call. Subscribing is the easiest way to keep this channel independent and data-driven. Okay, so we're comparing the Philips 5400 LatteGo Espresso Machine and the De'Longhi Eletta Deluxe, both renewed models, right?
Yep, both super-automatic espresso machines, but there are definitely some differences. The Philips is listed for $799 and the De'Longhi, well, it's currently unavailable.
Right, that's already a big deal. Availability matters. But ignoring that for now, what about features? The Philips boasts 12 different coffee options at the touch of a button.
The De'Longhi also focuses on one-touch brewing, promising coffee shop quality espresso, cappuccinos, and lattes. It's got a 15-bar pump, which is pretty standard for espresso machines.
The Philips also has a 15 bars pump and the LatteGo system. That thing is supposed to be super easy to clean, just 2 parts and no tubes. And the ceramic grinder is rated for 20,000 cups.
Nice. The De'Longhi highlights its latte crema system for frothing milk, which they say works well even with plant-based milks. Plus, it has a built-in steel burr grinder.
Burr grinders are generally preferred, aren't they? The Philips has a ceramic burr grinder that's adjustable with 12 settings, but I'm not sure if ceramic or steel is better.
It's debatable. Ceramic grinders can be quieter and don't transfer heat as easily, but steel might be more durable in the long run. Speaking of durable, the De'Longhi is a beast, weighing in at 30.6 pounds, compared to the Philips 18.58 pounds.
Wow, big difference. The Philips is also a bit smaller dimension-wise. 15 inches DX10, WX17H, versus the De'Longhi's 14.16 DX 10.2 inches, WX 18.3 inches H. Not a huge difference, but something to consider if counter space is tight.
Good point. And the Philips lets you create user profiles, right? So you can customize settings.
It does. 4 user profiles, and it has the aroma extract system to optimize brewing temperature. It also has an extra shot function to boost the intensity.
The De'Longhi focuses on customization too, letting you adjust each cup to your liking. It seems like both machines aim for that personalized coffee experience, but honestly, the currently unavailable status of the De'Longhi is a pretty big downside, wouldn't you say?
Definitely. Hard to recommend something you can't even buy. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.